my friends. Hello, my friends. I have now a package right now, so we're gonna unbox it. So let's hope it's a hazard switch with relay. So it's time to open it. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, there's another tape. We use scissor. As you can see, guys, so we got 2 relays and 2 hazard switch right now. I have bought 2 because I'm gonna put this on my motor and my twins motor. Mine is the Supra GTR and my twins motor is Honda Beat. So let's hope we can install it. Fortunately, guys, the other relay was damaged. I tried to fix it, so we'll just find out how to repair this one to fix this relay, and the other one is still working. So I'm going to find a shop to repair it. Okay guys, we're gonna install the hazard switch. First thing is, you're gonna remove the side mirrors. So after this part, okay, so there is 2 screws over here, and the down part is 4 screws. Let's start it. So this part, okay, good. So this part, you have to slowly remove it. You have to slowly remove it. So you have to slowly remove. There's the connection over here. So you can see the relay over here, so dirty. Over here you can see it. You have to remove it carefully. So the relay is removed. So let's test this first. Okay, you can see the directions on here. It should be like this.
Let's be careful. Boom. This relay is installed because if you use the stock relay while there's a hazard, it won't be compatible. So remove this part. Right. Yun. So, compared to the stock one has no hazard, but the hazard switch it has. Wait, it's not here. So it has a hazard. So we're just gonna test it out first. We gotta test it out first muna. We gotta test it out first. So we're ready to test if the hazard works. So we're gonna on our engines first. So let's check first. Going so left. Check first. Right. That's hazard not. So that's already hazard. Oh, it's already hazard. So the hazard works. There you go. So we're done testing it. To put it on this one, so we have to put it over here. See? Right now, put this thing. Yun. Test it again. Left. Right. Oh wait, it's hazard. Left. Right. Hazard. So it works. We're gonna bring back all the pieces. So we're gonna bring back all the pieces. Let's see if the thing works. Put this one on a proper position. Boom. So that thing is just only plug and play, no wiring or stops. It works. So we're gonna bring back the fairings, bring back the headlight. So we're gonna on this engine. But I hope so nice and easy.
Long, I can hear it, oh, I can't stop the rush, every note I touch, I can feel it saving me. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
It's good. Yun. Let's test the headlights. So that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and put the notification so you'll be notified if there's new videos. So I installed it by myself. Right now, it is all good. Let's hope you will understand this one. And thank you and goodbye. Thanks for watching, y'all.
Calling